Hi students, good morning to all. Today we are going to learn our lesson. Which lesson we learned in the previous class? Yes, cities of India. Cities of India, Mumbai. We learned about Mumbai. Okay, today we are going to learn the balance portion of our chapter. Yes, that is Monuments of Mumbai. What? Monuments of Mumbai. Okay, there are lots of monuments are present in the city Mumbai. There are lots of monuments present in the city Mumbai. They are Gateway of India, Hanging Gardens, then Elephanta Caves, next Nehru Planetarium, Beach, then etc. are present in the city Mumbai. These are the monuments of Mumbai. These are the monuments of Mumbai. Which are the monuments of, name the monuments present in the city Mumbai. First one, Gateway of India. First one, Gateway of India. Gateway of India. Gateway of India. Then second one, Hanging Gardens. Hanging Gardens. Hanging Gardens. Hanging Gardens. Gateway of India. Then second one, Hanging Gardens. Third one, Elephanta Caves. Third one, Elephanta Caves. Elephanta Caves. Then fourth one, Nehru Planetarium. Nehru Planetarium. Nehru Planetarium. Nehru Planetarium. These are the monuments present in the city of India, Mumbai. Which are the monuments? Gateway of India, Hanging Gardens, then Elephanta Caves, Nehru Planetarium. Once again, which are the monuments present in the city Mumbai? Gateway of India, Hanging Gardens, then Elephanta Caves, then Nehru Planetarium. Once again, Gateway of India, Hanging Gardens, Elephanta Caves and Nehru Planetarium. First one, the Gateway of India. The Gateway of India is the most well-known monument of Mumbai. Which is the most well-known monument of Mumbai. And also it was built during the British rule in India. It was built during the British rule in India. It was built during the British rule in India in the year 1911. In the year 1911, the Gateway of India is built during the British rule in the year 1911. Next, for what purpose the monument Gateway of India is built? For welcoming the King George V and Queen Mary. So welcome the King George V and Queen Mary. It has the Gateway of India has 4 towers with the beautiful carvings. 4 towers with the beautiful carvings. These are the features of the monument Gateway of India. Once again, about Gateway of India. The Gateway of India is one of the most well-known monuments of Mumbai. One of the most well-known monument of Mumbai. Gateway of India is one of the most well-known monument of Mumbai. It was built during the British rule in the year 1911 for what? To welcome the King George V and Queen Mary. Next one, Hanging Gardens. Next monument, Hanging Gardens. Okay, the Hanging Gardens are one of the most popular tourist attraction of Mumbai. One of the most popular tourist attraction of Mumbai. Hanging Garden is one of the most popular tourist attraction of Mumbai. Okay, it is also called the Ferozshah Mehta Gardens. It is also the Hanging Gardens also called Ferozshah Mehta. Firozshah Mehta Gardens. Okay. Next is the main attraction of this garden are plants are especially the plants are trimmed or cut in the shape of animals. Cut in the shape of animals. We can see the picture in your textbook, page number 161. The hanging gardens. The trees are cut in the shape of animal. So due to this we are called it as hanging gardens. Hanging gardens. Once again about hanging gardens. Hanging garden is one of the most popular tourist attraction of Mumbai, and also it is called the Firozshah Mehta Gardens. It is also called Firozshah Mehta Gardens. Then the main attraction of this garden are plants are cut in the shape of animals. Plants are cut into the shape of animals. So it is called a hanging garden. So it is called a hanging garden. All of you understood about the two monuments of Mumbai. We learned about the first monument, Gateway of India. The Gateway of India is one of the most well-known monument of Mumbai. It was built by the British rule during the British rule in the year 1911 for welcome the King George V and Queen Mary. Then we learn about the second monument, Hanging Gardens. Second monument, Hanging Gardens. The Hanging Garden is also one of the most popular tourist attraction in the city Mumbai, and also it is also called Firozshah Mehta Gardens. And one of the most attraction of this garden is the plants are cut in the shape of animals. Plants are cut into the shape of animals. Okay. Next one, Elephanta Caves. Next one, Elephanta Caves. Elephanta Caves are located at the Elephanta Islands. It is located where? The Elephanta Caves are located where? Elephanta Islands. Elephanta Islands. It is located where? Elephanta Islands. It is 10 kilometers away from Mumbai city. The Elephanta Caves. The Elephanta Island is located 10 kilometers away from Mumbai city. It is located 10 kilometers away from Mumbai city, and also many rock cut cave temples are also found on this island. On this islands, the rock cut cave temples are present in this Elephanta Islands. So the Elephanta Caves is also located in Elephanta Island. It is 10 kilometers far away from the Mumbai city. It is 10 kilometers far away from the Mumbai city. And also so many temples are present in these islands. In these islands, these temples are made from the rock cut. Okay. Next one, Nehru Planetarium. Next one, Nehru Planetarium. Nehru Planetarium is a place that attracts people who are interested in stars and space. Stars and space. Okay. So the Nehru Planetarium is one of the historical building or monuments of Mumbai, and also it is a place that attracts people who are interested in stars, space. Okay, stars and space. Okay, then next one, we can see stars and planets in the sky with the help of special telescopes present in this planetarium. Which planetarium? Nehru Planetarium. The Nehru Planetarium is situated in which city? Mumbai city. Nehru Planetarium is situated in Mumbai city, and also most of the peoples attract this place because that peoples are interested in stars and space. And also in this planetarium we can see stars, so many stars and planets in the sky with the help of special telescopes. Okay. Then what we learned? Yes, we learned about the monuments of Mumbai. Which are the monuments of Mumbai? Yes, Gateway of India, Hanging Gardens, Elephanta Caves. Next one, Nehru Planetarium. Next one, Nehru Planetarium. Once again, the monuments of India. First one, Gateway of India. Gateway of India is one of the most populous place in the city Mumbai. It was built during the British rule in 1911. It was built during the British rule in 1911 for what? To welcome the King George V and Queen Mary. To welcome the King George V and Mary Queen. Next one, Hanging Gardens. Next one, Hanging Gardens. Hanging Gardens are one of the most popular tourist attraction in the city Mumbai, and also it is also called Firozshah Mehta Gardens. Firozshah Mehta Gardens. And also the main attraction of this garden are the plants are cut into the shape of animals. Next one, Elephanta Caves. Elephanta Caves. The Elephanta Caves is situated in the Elephanta Islands. This island is situated 10 km far away from the Mumbai city. This island is situated 10 km far away from the Mumbai city. And also many temples are present in the Elephanta Islands. These temples are made from rocks. Okay. Next we are going to learn about beaches. Beaches in Mumbai city. Beaches. Next we learn about beaches. Okay. There are many popular beaches in Mumbai. They are Juhu Beach. First one, Juhu Beach. First one, Juhu Beach. Mad Island Beach. Mad Island Beach. Juhu Beach, Mad Island Beach. Next, Versova Beach. Versova Beach. Next, Chowpatty Beach. These are the famous beaches present in the city Mumbai. First one, Juhu Beach, Mad Island Beach, Versova Beach. Next, Chowpatty Beach. These are the beaches present in the city Mumbai. Then it is very popular beach in Mumbai is Chowpatty Beach. This is a popular beach in Mumbai city. Okay, next one. Why the Chowpatty Beach is most popular? Because it looks like a bright necklace at night. It looks like a bright necklace at night. Then people come here to watch the sunset and enjoy tasty food served by the seaside food stalls. Most of the people come to the beach side for what? For seeing the sunset and enjoying the foods, tasty food served by the seaside food stalls. Next one, then one of the popular park is present in the Gorey Beach, that is Easel World. Next beach is present in Mumbai city is Gorey Beach. Here the famous theme park is present, that is Easel World. Easel World. These are the beaches present in Mumbai city. Once again, Juhu Beach, Mad Island Beach, Versova Beach, Chowpatty Beach, then Gorey Beach. Then Chowpatty Beach is one of the most popular beach in the Mumbai city because at night it looks like a bright necklace. It looks like a bright necklace at night. And also the people come here to see the sunset and enjoying the tasty food served by the seaside food stalls. And also in Gorey Beach, one of the most famous theme park, that is Easel World, is located in the Gorey Beach. Okay. Next we are going to learn about the people of Mumbai. Next we are going to learn about the people of Mumbai. We can see the pictures of Elephanta Caves, Nehru Planetarium, Easel World in the textbook. First one, Elephanta Caves. We can see temples present there. They are cut from the rocks. And also here the Nehru Planetarium, we can see the stars, so many stars and stars in the Nehru Planetarium through special telescopes. Next, it is a theme park, that is Easel World. It is situated in the Gorey Beach in the city Mumbai. Then these are the beaches present in the city Mumbai. Next one, the people of Mumbai. Next, people of Mumbai. Then the people of Mumbai are called Mumbaikars. Then the majority of the people in Mumbai are those who have come here from different parts of the country. Most of the peoples lived in Mumbai are come here from different parts of the country. Then the many languages are speak in this city. The languages are Marathi, Konkani, Hindi, Sindhi and English. The languages spoken by the people of Mumbai are Marathi, then Konkani, Sindhi, English and Hindi. Okay, next one, some of the most popular and world famous dishes of Mumbai are Pav Bhaji, then Vada Pav, Bel Puri, Pani Puri, etc. are the famous dishes of Mumbai. Which are the famous dishes of Mumbai? Pav Bhaji, Vada Pav, then Bel Puri, Pani Puri, etc. Okay. Next, these are the people, about the people of Mumbai. The people of Mumbai are also called Mumbaikars. Then majority of the people of Mumbai are come from different parts of the country, and so due to this the people speaks many languages here. The languages spoken by the people in Mumbai are Marathi, Konkani, then Hindi, Sindhi and English. Then the famous and popular dishes of Mumbai are Pav Bhaji, Vada Pav, then Bel Puri, Pani Puri, etc. are the famous dishes found in the city Mumbai. Next, then the important Indian festivals are celebrated at Mumbai are Ganesh Chaturthi, then Ganesh Chaturthi, Diwali, etc. are celebrated in where Mumbai city. Okay, and also one of the popular Mumbai, the present Hindi film industry also present in the city Mumbai. Hindi film industry is present in which city? Mumbai city, and is popularly known as the Hindi film industry is popularly known as the Bollywood. Okay. So once again about the people of Mumbai. Then we know that the people of Mumbai are also called Mumbaikar. So the majority of the people in Mumbai are coming from different parts of the country, and also they speak different languages. Like Marathi, Konkani, Hindi, then Sindhi, then English, etc. are the languages spoken by the people of Mumbai. Okay, next the famous and popular dishes found. Dishes means a particular kind of food is present in the Mumbai city are Pav Bhaji, Vada Pav, Bel Puri, Pani Puri, etc. Okay, the important Indian festivals celebrated at Mumbai are Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi. Next, another important reason for the popularity of Mumbai is the presence of the Hindi film industry. That is, it is also called Bollywood. It is also called Bollywood. Okay. Once again, what all things we learn today? We learn about the monuments of Mumbai. Which are the monuments of Mumbai? Yes, the Gateway of India, Hanging Gardens, Gateway of India, Hanging Gardens, then Elephanta Caves. Next one, Nehru Planetarium. Once again, about Gateway of India. The Gateway of India is one of the most well-known monument of Mumbai. It was built during the British rule in 1911 to welcome the King of George V and Queen Mary. Next one, Hanging Gardens. Hanging Garden is one of the most popular tourist attraction in Mumbai. It is also called Firozshah Mehta Gardens. Firozshah Mehta Gardens. Then the main attraction of this monument is the plants are cut into the shape of animals. Next one, Nehru Planetarium. Nehru Planetarium is also one of the historical buildings, historical monuments of Mumbai. Then it attracts most of the people. They are interested in stars and space. In this planetarium, we can see so many stars in the sky through special type of telescopes. Okay. Next, we learn about beaches. Then so many beaches are present in the city Mumbai. They are Juhu Beach, Mad Island Beach, then Versova Beach, Chowpatty Beach and Gorey Beach. Chowpatty Beach is one of the most famous beaches in Mumbai city because it looks like a bright necklace at night. And also in the Gorey Beach, one of the most famous theme park, that is Easel World, is located in the Gorey Beach. Next, we learn about the people of Mumbai. The people of Mumbai is also called Mumbaikas because the majority of the people lived in Mumbai city are come from different parts of the country, and also they speak different languages like Marathi, Konkani, Sindhi, Hindi and English. Okay, the most famous dishes found in the city Mumbai are Pav Bhaji, Vada Pav, Bel Puri, Pani Puri, etc. And also the most famous Hindi film industry is also located in the Mumbai city. It is also called, the Hindi film industry is also called Bollywood. And also the important festival like Ganesh Chaturthi is also celebrated in Mumbai cities, the people of Mumbai. Okay, our lesson is over. So I think all of you understood about the this lesson. Okay, next we are going to our exercise portion. First one, choose the correct option. Dash is the capital of Maharashtra. Which is the capital of Maharashtra? Yes, we learn about the city Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Next one, Mumbai has dash climate. Mumbai has cold and hot climate, so Mumbai has moderate climate. Next one, dash islands combine to form Mumbai. How many islands combine to form Mumbai? Yes, 7 islands combine to form Mumbai. Next one, Mumbai is located on the dash coast of India. In which coast Mumbai is situated or located? Yes, Mumbai is located on the western coast of India. Mumbai is located on the western coast of India. Next one, the Hindi film industry situated in Mumbai is known as Bollywood. Okay, next one, fill in the blanks. First question, The bus service in Mumbai is run by an agency called Best. Next one, earlier Mumbai was known as Bombay. Earlier Mumbai was known as Bombay. Mumbai was known as Bombay. Earlier Mumbai was known as Bombay. Large oil reserves are located at Bombay High. Next, Mumbai has the largest dash in India. In India, Mumbai has the largest port. Mumbai has the largest port in India. The Hindi film industry is also known as what? Bollywood. The Hindi film industry is also known as Bollywood. Next part, answer the following. First question, describe the climate of Mumbai. Describe the climate of Mumbai. Mumbai has a moderate climate. Next, name some important tourist attractions of Mumbai. Name some important tourist attractions of Mumbai are the Gateway of India, Hanging Gardens, Elephanta Caves and Nehru Planetarium. Next, which languages are spoken in Mumbai? Which languages are spoken in Mumbai? Yes, Marathi, Konkani, Hindi, Sindhi and English. Next, name the popular beaches of Mumbai. Which are the popular beaches of Mumbai? Juhu Beach, Gorai Beach, Versova Beach, then Chowbadi Beach, Mahad Iron Beach. These are the popular beaches of Mumbai. Next one, where is the petroleum found around Mumbai? Where is the petroleum found around Mumbai? The petroleum found around Mumbai in Bombay High. Bombay High. Okay, students, our lesson is over. So all of you read your text more and more times. Then write your notes properly in your SS notebook. After writing the notes, take a photo and send it to me. Okay, thank you. Okay, students, before winding up, all of you look here. Some words. First one is the capital of Mumbai. Maharashtra. Is the capital of Mumbai? Capital of Mumbai, Maharashtra. So this is the capital of Mumbai, Maharashtra. What is the spelling of Maharashtra? M-A-H-A-R-A-S-H-T-R-A. Maharashtra. All of you learn these words. Okay, next one, moderate. Mumbai has which climate? Moderate climate. This is spelling of moderate. M-O-D-E-R-A-T-E. Moderate. This is spelling of, what is spelling of moderate? M-O-D-E-R-A-T-E. Moderate. Okay, once again, which is the capital of Maharashtra? Which is the capital of which is the capital of Mumbai? Which is the capital of Maharashtra? Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Okay, next one. What is the climate of Mumbai? Yes, Mumbai has moderate climate. Next, how many islands combined to form Mumbai? We learn about there are 7 islands combined to form Mumbai city. Which is the capital? Which is the capital of Maharashtra? Mumbai. Which is the capital of Maharashtra? Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. In earlier period, Mumbai is called as Bombay. Mumbai is called as Bombay. In earlier period, Mumbai is called as Bombay. This is the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Then the climate of Mumbai has moderate climate. Mumbai has moderate climate. Then where is Mumbai located? In which coast Mumbai is located? In the western coast of India. Mumbai is located on the western coast. Western coast. What is spelling of western coast? WESTERN. Western coast. 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 Once again, western coast. WESTERN. Western coast. COAST. Okay. Western coast. The Mumbai is located on the western coast of India. Mumbai is located on western coast of India. Next, the Hindi film industry situated in Mumbai is known as what? Bollywood. What is the spelling of Bollywood? That is BOLLY. Bollywood. BOLLYWOOD. That is Bollywood. What is the spelling of Bollywood? BOLLYWOOD. Bollywood. The Bollywood means the Hindi film industry located in where? Mumbai city. The Hindi film industry is also known as Bollywood. Hindi film industry is also known as Bollywood. So, what is the spelling of Bollywood? BOLLYWOOD. Bollywood. Okay. Next one. What is spelling of Gateway of India? Gateway of India. Gateway. GATE. Gateway. WAY. Gateway of India. INDIA. Gateway of India. Once again, GATEWAY. Gateway of India. INDIA. Gateway of India. Gateway of India is one of the monuments present in Mumbai city. Next one, Hanging Gardens. What is spelling of Hanging Gardens? HANGING. Hanging Gardens. GARDENS. Hanging Gardens. Once again, what is the spelling of Hanging Gardens? HANGING. Hanging Gardens. GARDENS. Hanging Gardens. Next one, Elephanta Caves. Next one, Elephanta Caves. Elephanta Caves. Elephanta Caves. Spelling of Elephanta Caves. Elephanta. 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 Elephanta Caves. 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 Once again, Elephanta Caves. Next one, Nehru Planetarium. Nehru Planetarium. Nehru. NEHRU. Nehru Planetarium. 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 Nehru Planetarium. What is spelling of Nehru Planetarium? Yes, NEHRU PLANETARIUM. Nehru Planetarium. Okay. So once again, which is the capital of Maharashtra? Mumbai. In earlier period, Mumbai is called as Bombay. Mumbai is called as Bombay. Next, what is the climate of Mumbai city? Mumbai has moderate climate. Mumbai has moderate climate. Then the Mumbai is situated in which coast? Which coast of India? Yes, western coast of India. Mumbai is situated on western coast of India. Then the Hindi film industry, famous Hindi film industry is also situated in the Mumbai city. So the Hindi film industry is also known as Bollywood. Is also known as Bollywood. What is the spelling of Bollywood? BOLLYWOOD. Bollywod. B-O-L-L-Y-W-O-O-D. Bollywood. Okay, all of you understood these words? The children's you should write these words in your notebook. Then it is write it as a dictation words. Okay. Then Maharashtra, moderate, Western Coast, Bollywood, Gateway of India, Hanging Gardens, Elephanta Caves, and Nehru Planetarium. After writing these as dictation words, then you will write fill up. Choose the correct answer, then answer the following. Okay, all of you understood about these words? Then which is the capital of Maharashtra? Mumbai. Which is the capital of Maharashtra? Mumbai. In earlier period, Mumbai is called as Bombay. Then what is the climate of Mumbai? Mumbai has moderate climate. How many islands combine to form the Mumbai city? Yes, there are 7 islands combined to form the Mumbai city. Okay, students, all of you write these words as dictation words in your notebook. Okay, after writing these words, you should write the fill up, choose the correct answer, then answer the following. Then after write, take a photo and send it to me.